Good morning, students. Today we will start chapter 2, Living and Non Living. Our world is wonderful, it is full of many things. There are people, animals, flowers, birds, buildings, cars, roads, breezes, the sun, the moon, etc. Some of these things are natural, man made, living, and non living. Now, let we study about the natural and human made, and also we understand their differences with the example. Natural things is something found in nature that people can use to meet their needs. We can say that natural things are those things that found naturally and gifted by God, like that trees, water, soil, natural gas, petrol, coal. These things are not made by man. We, that things we found naturally. So we can say that these are the example of natural resources. Man-made resources, the resources which are not made by nature but are made by human beings are called man made resources. We, in simple words, we say that those things who are which are made by man, these are man made resources. Example: table, fan, house, pencil, brush, car, etc. Now natural things are of two kinds: living and non living things. Living things, things which can grow, move, breathe, and reproduce, are called living things. Example: human being, plants and trees, animals, birds, insects. These are the example of living things. And living things, they can grow, breathe, feel, etc. Non-living things Non-living things may not have life in them, but they are very important for us. Means that non-living thing doesn't move, they don't grow, they don't feel anything, etc. They are not alive. Like ball, car, clock, book. These are the example of non-living things. Now here we discuss about the uses of natural resources. First, soil. Soil is an example of natural resources. No one made soil. This one found naturally on our planet Earth. So the soil found on Earth contain a number of minerals. Plants absorb minerals through their roots. Animals take in minerals by eating plants. Plants cannot grow without taking minerals from the soil. Next, about the air. Air is a natural resource. You can't see air, but it is all around you. Many living things need air to live. Next, about the sun. The sun is the main source of light, heat, and energy on earth. All living things need energy to grow. We get this energy from the food we get. Plants use sunlight, carbon dioxide, and water to make their food. The sun also makes life possible by providing warmth. Next, the water. Water is also a natural resources and it is very important for life to exist. It helps both human and animals in digesting their food. Plants need water to produce food in their leaves and helps them to grow. Now here we discuss about the living things differ from non-living things. These are the points from which we understand the differentiate between both the terms. Living things grow and non-living things do not grow. Living things breathe, non-living things do not breathe. Living things need food and non-living things do not eat food. Living things move, non-living things do not move. And living things feel, non-living things do not feel. That are the points from which we can understand the differentiate between living things and non-living things, and the definition that thing we discuss Characteristic of living things. They can move, grow, respire or breathe, excrete, eat. Now here these things we discuss in detail. Living things move. Living things move to get food or protect themselves, etc. These movements are called self motivation. Example: birds fly, fish swim, men walk, flowers bloom, etc. Non living things do not have self motivation. It cannot be moved by itself, it can be moved by someone living being. Next, about the living things need food and water. Living things need food and water to live. They get energy from food to live and to grow. Animals find their own food and water. They eat plants or other animals eat plants. Most plants make their own food with the help of air, water and sunlight. Plants get their water from the soil. Living things grow and develop. All living things grow or become larger. Most living things grow through stages of development in their lifespan. A chick, a chick comes out of an egg and grow into a hen. Living things breathe. All living things need air to breathe. They breathe in oxygen and breathe out carbon dioxide. We breathe through our nose. Many other animals also breathe through their nose. Fish breathe through their gills. Plants breathe through the small pores in their leaves, and these pores are called stomata. Here are some points related to non-living things. They don't move on their own, don't grow, don't need food or water, don't reproduce, and don't breathe. Thank you.